Let's continue with class 12 mathematics chapter 4. Now here I'll go to exercise 4.4 because in the previous two videos we had actually discussed what are determinants. So this exercise is very much a continuation of that same topic only. It's just that before this we will be requiring some properties of determinants. So that of course we'll do it in the next videos, and also when it is still fresh I would just like to continue with this exercise 4.4, not a very big exercise. So in the previous two videos in introduction of determinants we have actually studied what is a determinant. It is nothing but the sum of the product of elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors. So only one note you have to remember here is that if the elements of a row or column are multiplied with another cofactor of another rows or another columns, then the value of the determinant, then their sum is 0. That means the value of the determinant is 0. That means here A11 into C21, so it should be actually 1 1. So same row and cofactors of the same row, but here we have first row elements, cofactors of the second row, so that's why the sum is 0. So moving on to the exercise 4.4, question number 4. Using cofactors of elements of third column is this one, so then it should be using cofactors of the elements of third column, so the value of the determinant should be third column, that is A13. I'll use cofactors first. C13 plus A23 C23 plus A33 C33. So since we are doing with terms of minors, M13 minus A23 M23 A33 M33. Remember we have done for cofactor of ij is -1 I plus j m I j. So cofactors, the sign of the cofactors very much depends on what is the value of I and j, that is on the I, depends on the element, ith element and jth row, whether it's going to be negative or positive of the minor. So that's why we have here 3 plus 1 4 even, 1 minus 1 power 4 even. So but here 2 plus 3 odd. So when you convert cofactor to minors, it will be C2 3 will be what, -1 2 plus 3 M23, that's -1 power 5 M23, so that's minus M23 because -1 power 5 is -1, and that's why. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So now let's quickly find out M13, that is this minor of this element. So rejecting its rows and columns, it will be determinant of 1 y 1 z. So cross multiplying z minus y, M23. So what will be M23? That is this element. So rejecting its rows and columns, 1x 1z, so z minus x. M33 will be this element rejecting this row and this column, so we'll have 1x 1y, so that will be y minus x. So therefore value of the determinant A13 M13 minus A23 M23 plus A33 M33. So A13, what is the value? yz. M13 z minus y minus zx z minus x plus xy y minus x. So quickly multiplying y square z minus z square x plus x square plus xy square minus x square y. So let's just try to arrange. So the first two terms again, going back again, z minus y minus, here I'll just do a small arrangement, that is x y square minus x z square, that is I'll be arranging x y square and xz square. So the other two terms that is left will be x square z minus x square y. So let's do the comparison. That is y z z minus y. You can have x common here, y square minus z square. From here we can have x square common, z minus y. So if we take minus common, y z, we have y minus z plus x y plus z, y minus z, difference of squares formula, minus again x square, y minus z. So y minus z, y minus z, y minus z. If we take common, we're left with minus yz plus x y plus z minus x square. So y minus z minus yz plus xy plus xz minus x square. So y minus z, we can have minus y common, so z minus x plus x z minus x. So y minus z, z minus x common, minus y plus x. In other words, arranging x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So that's how the solution will be done. I hope you've liked this video. Next up, in the next videos, we will discuss about properties of determinants and its various ways of solving and finding out determinants using properties. So do continue to tune in for more videos. Thank you from the team of Teach Nagaland.